Hey guys, Rob from the Off-Grid Tiny House at the Tiny House. Interesting. Let me show you something. Take a look at my survival blanket. You can probably pick that up on camera. There's a little movement going on. Will it show it? Yeah, a little bit. Little flexing. So, yeah, it's extremely windy outside. So I wanted to come over since I have some time off of work right now. Been busy. And I gotta give you guys an update. Hula girl's still dancing. There she is in the window. So it is roughly going on 3:30. It is not bad in here actually. 27.2 Celsius, 48% humidity. Can you guys, you can't see that. Now you can. 3:30. And that is 80 degrees Fahrenheit. In Fahrenheit, of course. Yeah, I gotta replace those batteries soon. Yeah, so I want to come over here, chill out, watch some videos that I have on this hard drive, because I haven't really had the time to do that in a while. In the meantime, we can check on the solar, my spider plants, all that fun stuff, and open some windows. Yeah, I think it's time to add some moisture since it is warmer in here. Let's see how the solar's doing. Battery's sitting at 14 volts. This one's kind of at the same. It's shaking, rattling, rolling. Oh yeah, Primo's, I left Primo's donation in to me there. That needed a good charge because the solar panel on this battery pack does not charge that battery pack up very well. So I had to manually do it off the solar panels, the big solar panels. Let me disconnect that now. Power. So that battery pack should be good to go. That's it there. And if you press that button, it will, you can use that to power some items. But I will just shut this off for now. And he can just hang 10 over here with me, I guess. So I'm going to turn the inverters on and get some juice going. Get some entertainment going, open some windows. It smells pretty nice in here, by the way. Because of the that oil that I spread on the wood, it's definitely doing what I thought it would do, which is good. Nice and sunny out. Shouldn't have to worry about power too badly, as far as I know. Sorry about that camera angle, guys. So 80 in here, but the humidity in here is not too bad. It's under 50%. So I'm guessing, well, that's always a good thing. You want it, well, you don't want high humidity because that's just a nightmare. But the tiny house is shaking, rattling, rolling with this crazy wind. If I ever get a wind turbine up on this roof, guys, I swear it's going to be, I'm going to have to attach it via the pole, a pole mounted up the side wall vertically, because there's absolutely no way I would screw it onto the roof. It'd probably rip itself off and go flying somewhere. So But wind power is definitely a possibility in this area. I don't know if you want this. We have like a steady wind here, but then we do have these gusts that fly up. Like I'm seeing now. You guys will be able to see it. It's insanity. Well, maybe. When the gust comes up, you see everything kind of woo. We are on shocks. We're on a trailer. So, and we're a giant sail because the tiny house is a big, basically, big, massive box that the wind hits, and it turns this thing into resistance for the wind. And since we're on shocks, we go like this a little bit. And so far the solar panels have held out. And I hope they hold out for a long time. I'll show you that little spinning thing up there. That's weird. To the eye, that thing, I can't even tell there's... Okay, now it's slowed down. Okay, on camera, this is weird. I cannot. This thing is spinning out of control with my eyesight. But you guys see the actual fins as it goes by, which is not. That thing is flying. There's no way I can see make out the fins. You know, when you see something spin really fast and it's like, I don't know. Hey. TV on, please. Something wrong with this remote or what? Oh, there we go. Check these batteries on here. Sometimes you roll the batteries and you can get them going. But anyway, time for some entertainment. I'm gonna crack some windows. Here, let me mute this. I'll get the TV going. I got a ton of stuff to watch. Ridiculous amount of stuff, but might as well enjoy. And I'm gonna crack this window. And get maybe some of that wind power in here. And we'll see what happens. I'll leave this one open for now. I should have between my trailer and the trailer next door, we have something called the funnel effect. So as the wind blows in between our trailers, it's intensified. It's like it funnels it. So maybe I'll get a nice gust. We'll see what happens. Right now, nada. All the wind's coming from that direction anyway, so I only got one window over here on that side of the tiny house, so it would be nice to have another one, but we'll see. Here, I'll open this one up and just see what happens. I can only go up so far because I got, whoa. Okay, there's the wind. Now you guys get a better sense of what's going on. The survival blanket's going crazy. And there's my solar powered watch from my very first cruise that I bought it. I bought that as a souvenir on. I like how the survival blanket actually hides my gross mess. I should aluminum tape that stuff down, but it shouldn't hurt the survival blanket. Yeah, that's letting a nice breeze in here. So, too bad it's not on this side of the world. But we'll see. There's the tiny dancer up there, just at the top of the window. I'm getting a nice breeze in here. You guys can see that probably now. There's the thing shaking there. I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing to. Well, no, it's. I'm getting a nice breeze through here, so I don't care. I'm leaving that open. And then the wind will channel this way, bounce around, probably head out this window and so on. But I'll go water my plants, do whatever, and that'll be it for this video, guys. I just want to check things out. I can't really film while me watching my videos here because of YouTube copyright garbage. So I'm just gonna hang out here and enjoy some video. So see you on the next one. Warning, if you're prone to seizures, look away. The wind's a gusting here, and I'm getting a nice disco light show from the survival blankets. The sun's hitting the survival blanket. And yeah, as you can see. I think that was a great idea, putting that wall there, because the airflow has to go around the wall to get to the other windows before it leaves, but it keeps the air circulating back here in the storage room. It is crazy. We had a couple big gusts here so far since I've been here. I'm sure there was plenty before I even got here. And oh man. Oh yeah. The anti-wind sensor has come on my camera. Unbelievable, guys. Oh well, just wanted to share that with you. Kind of crazy. Hopefully nobody had a seizure attack. I doubt that would do it, but you never know. Alrighty guys, just a little update. It is very warm in here now, 5:30 in the afternoon, 28.9 Celsius, 42% humidity. I'm starting to sweat in here. It is 81 Fahrenheit. Now, that's only a 1 degree change, but I had the windows open during that time, which is kind of weird. So, yeah. Anyway, I got done watching my videos. I'm sure I could have kept going. Plenty of sun left, but the sun is setting. Starting to. Here's the murder weapon. I've been killing... I think I killed about 5 or 6 carpenter ants again. So hopefully this decapitates their population or nest, or hopefully I don't have any more issues with them. I have an ant trap over there near the garbage bag. I don't have anything sugary or sweet in here, and I'm pretty sure those are just carpenter ants. Big black suckers. So yeah, so anyway, I shut everything down for the day. I got this thing rigged up here, a little rednecky. This is redneck for sure, guys. So I took one of my USB fans. As you can see, it's running. It was the one sitting on top of my little tool chest there. Now, that pipe has my incoming solar panel wires coming out of it. So those bunches of sets there. Now that is not totally sealed. I can see daylight out there, and there is airflow coming in through there. So what I've done is just redneck this. It's not the best, but it'll do for now. I rigged up that little USB fan. I took my little fireplace 12 volt socket thing, hooked it up there. My light here is also plugged into it, and I'm also charging Primo's thing back up. I used him for a little bit just to try him. Worked fine. So what I'm doing basically is I'm gonna leave that fan on 24/7 now in the summertime, spring that we're in. And hopefully, since hot air rises and it's stuck on the ceiling, and I now have this thing is a mechanical force gonna make air draw and heat off the ceiling draw towards that fan and be blown out through that pipe. That is the plan. Now, obviously, I wanted to do a better setup, but I don't have any other holes in the tiny house right now where I could set up a proper pipe with a, they call them reducers. I can reduce them up to about, what, 4-inch diameter, that size. Put the fan in, take the stand off it, fasten it right in there, and then have that as a permanent fixture. I want to do that. I don't have that right now, though. So this will do for now. You guys seen me run these fans before. I ran them off of Primo's power pack here for, I believe, 72 hours. And that was a 12,000 milliamp hour battery pack. This one ran for 5 hours, and it's just a, it doesn't even tell you, or wait, yes it does. Let's see. Whoa, I can't even read that. It says 2,600 milliamp hours, not 26,000, 2,600. So that's the difference. Anyway, I'm not gonna worry because it's being powered by my orange battery pack. Also, I'm gonna have solar coming in during the daytime anyway. So it's basically a good idea to do this. So that's what's going on. Now I'm obviously gonna rig something better up than this, guys. This is just redneck, just a redneck situation right now. It's just, I got the USB hanging off there. I have the stand kind of, I opened up the stand and it's wrapped around the solar wires. And I don't like this hanging here, but I don't have many options at the moment. So it is warm in here. I'm gonna bail. I watered the plants a little bit. I still got 3/4 of the bottle left. I closed all the windows. So now this fan, 24/7 now, is gonna run off of solar power, off grid. It's gonna suck heat off the ceiling of the tiny house and out to the outside, hopefully. So hopefully it works. I'll let you guys know. We'll experiment here with the temperatures and see what happens. But for now, I'm out of here, guys. So had fun. Watch some more videos. Basically what I'm trying to do is watch a bunch of videos on here so I can then update it again, because I'm falling behind doing that on some of the shows I watch. So yeah, and yeah, that's it, guys. I'm out of here.